I'm interested to see the long-term effects of heating up titanium and drinking out of it, because there's no like real research, or titanium hasn't been around long enough to see like, you know, you've been drinking it for 40 years or something, you know?
Right.
Like, what are the long-term effects? Like,
right. Like
am I
aluminum.
gonna have like ridiculous Alzheimer's now?
Because of aluminum, yeah.
You know, well, because of my titanium, it's even worse.
Yeah, well, not
you know?
because of aluminum, but like aluminum. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. All right, I'm gonna park YouTube right here. I'm gonna change batteries. We'll be back. Here's a message from our sponsors. Actually, no, I don't have any sponsors. Some people do though. Oh yes, they do.
Cut to the thing, and you're in your living room.
Yeah, in my living room, and I'm selling razors. And you're like, dude, Mitch, you don't shave, bro. You got a beard. You don't.
If I did shave though.
Yeah, exactly. If I did, order first, Emancipations. It turned into like a Major League spoof. You ever seen that movie, Major League?
Yeah.
The second one, so good.
Charlie Sheen.
Wild Thing, yeah, Charlie Sheen. They're like, cut, take 30,000 or whatever. All right, YouTube is back.
Weather coming in.
Yeah, I can see it. Feel it too.
Feel the moisture in the air.
It rained like crazy yesterday. And tomorrow it's supposed to rain too. I have to leave in about an hour.
What time is it anyway? I put my phone in the car.
About 1:30. My wife wants to go to the movies.
That's what.
Go to the movies?
125.
What you gonna see?
I don't know. She was talking about Black Panther, but I don't know if it was. I was going to see. There's a really cool movie that I wanted to watch. It was a guy that he was Sully, he was a tailor.
That's hot. Woo.
Right?
I'm fine. My glove had a hole in the finger.
Oh, geez.
Everything else was nice, but that one finger was screaming.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a nice surprise.
Oh, I thought you burnt the actual.
No, it's burnt mine.
One thing I do like about titanium, it doesn't heat up the way.
Yeah, stainless does heat a bit better.
It has a more even heat. I tried cooking on the titanium fry pan. They're not working out too well. It had one big burn spot in the middle, and everything else was like cold.
I think the main reason why that happens is because the titanium they produce is so thin that it's not thick enough to cause too much resistance, which makes the whole thing warm up. Like the iron pans are so thick that the whole thing has to heat up before that one spot really heats up. Something's really thin, you put it over a flame, boom, it's on fire in that one spot. It hasn't even spread yet. It's like common sense. I don't know why they haven't fixed that. I almost touched that. That would have been stupid.
I bet you Keith's seen your titanium debunking video.
That's exactly what he did. So the vice president of operations, or one of the bigwigs, sent me an email saying, I saw your YouTube video about our product. I'm glad you like our product. That heavy cover has his logo on.
Interesting.
We would love to do business with you, etc., 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 etc. Put your logo on, yada, yada, yada. Here's a link, blah, blah, blah. Hey, by the way, guys, so there's a hole on my hand, right? On my glove, my right hand. And I just burnt my first finger picking that up because it wasn't protected. I didn't realize. So I put it on my left hand now, and now the hole's on the back, so now I can still pick it up and I'm fine, right? Interesting stuff. Put the hole on the other side, other hand. Common sense, eh?
My new spoon, Gary.
Yeah, I saw the pictures of it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not perfect.
What'd you make it out of?
Maple.
Maple. Sweet.
Not too bad.
It's a beauty.
Thanks. I figured you want to see it because you're quite a craftsman. So I'm gonna share that.
And you knocked this one out of the park. That's beautiful.
Yeah, not too bad.
So you carved your little logo on there too?
Yep. Coal rosing in there. And I just got some bottom of the some soot from the bottom of the thing on there. Almond milk.
Almond milk.
Almond milk. So good. There's one that my wife gets sometimes that's has toasted, it's almond milk and toasted coconut milk mixed together. That is some good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it has vanilla too. Oh my god, dude, it's like Lucky Charms liquid. And there's no sugar at all, completely sugarless.
No kidding.
Yeah. I completely cut sugar out of my diet, man. I mean, every once in a while I'll have it randomly, kind of whatever, but I'm not like I'm not a big sugar guy anymore. Even like that, I just ate a little bar a minute ago. No sugar. It was dates and cashews ground up together as the granola bar. I'm so much healthier now without it. Almost no dairy, almost no sugar. I eat pretty much just meat and vegetables every day. Stay away from highly processed. It's pretty much paleo. I stay away from highly processed stuff like bread. I had bread for the first time in like 2 months just recently, and I kind of was paying for it after. I'm gonna stay away from bread, I think, as well.
That makes some sense what you're saying about it. This is toast too. Fry pan.
Keith, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I never would have known if Keith hadn't asked me to put my logo on all their stuff, and I realized that,
I found it. I can't.
you know, it was all the same stuff, you know. I mean, it's on, both logos are on the heavy cover, just like mine. If I have my Native Survival logo on that Keith with titanium stuff, Keith on one side, Native Survival on the other.
Yeah.
It's cool, you know, but I mean, those canteen rigs are like $150.
Well, I seen one. That's weird. I seen a Keith one that had no logo on it, just Keith, and it was $240 on eBay.
It had Keith's logo on it.
No heavy
Keith's. Oh yeah, well that's all. That's normal.
So I sent it to him.
That's normal.
I
Keith's.
sent it to Chris. I said, Chris, Keith's copy. I said, because I didn't realize it was both. I said, Keith's copying your canteen. I said, they stole your idea. And he's like, oh no, it's all set, buddy. Don't worry about it.
It's all set. Don't worry about it. Exactly.
I was like, okay. But then when I actually got one, I was like, oh.
Right. Whatever.
No, it's a great marketing because no one knew and everyone brought it up.
Yeah.
Everybody has his own. Hardcore luxury.
Hardcore luxury.
I bought myself an actual Rainier, not a Rainier, I bought myself a British military cup. I almost started using it because it just has a lot of, you know, it's like this nostalgia using it. I feel. I like it. It reminds me of Ray.
Yeah.
It reminds me of.
Dude, almost all my kit is actually Ray's kit.
Reminds me of my roots, you know.
It really is. Yeah. I learned almost everything I know from Ray as my foundation, and then everything else was from me after. But that cup is the same cup Ray uses. That Billy can. Oh, this mug is just like Ray's. He usually has the plastic canteen in it.
And a black plastic.
The black plastic.
He uses those too, which I'm like.
And then that Billy can is Ray's. I used to have Ray's knife. Even when I used to teach for Dave way back when, you know, the Pathfinder school. back in 2010. 2011.
I found a-
2011.
I found a
2011.
picture on their Facebook page of you standing there with that knife on your
I,
head.
I had Raised Woodlore
Yeah, you had
teaching
seen it on your head,
classes.
yeah.
Yeah, Dave was like,
You had a black shirt on.
he was like, hey, I don't remember what he said, but it wasn't a Pathfinder knife. I had one. I had one of the original logos. I sold it to a guy. He wanted it really bad. After the new logo came out, people wanted it because it was the old one. I sold it. I didn't really use it anymore.
They went for crazy dollars on eBay.
Yeah, I got quite a lot more for it than I paid.
Yeah, yeah. Now you can buy them for about $130 with no logo.
Oh, Battle Horse?
Yeah.
Dude, that guy's such a snake. Guy stole my knife, native survival knife, called it the feather stick because, hello, I'm known for feather sticks.
At least he named it after you.
Yeah, right. Unbelievable.
Telling you, I
Doesn't
saw-
he steal all of like LT's knives?
Yeah, when LT makes a knife, he makes
He makes his own cheaper version. It's like a knockoff.
He makes his version.
Well,
That's
weren't
fine.
they together once upon a time?
Yeah.
They used to be Blind Horse knives way back when. Oh, LT took the high road. You know, he says God bless in every single email or text that he sends me at the end.
Yeah.
He seems to be a
On the back of his business card, it
seems
says,
to be a Christian, like I am as well. I'm very happy to be working with LT because morally, ethically,
Oh, yeah.
quality-wise, everything about LT just seems to be on the up and up. I couldn't be happier.
Yeah, I like LT a lot.
You're saying even on his
You know,
business
his
card?
business card, they hit on Blade Show. Yeah, it has this. I think it's John
He has scripture on his business card.
3:18. I think it is. Or 3:20.
316?
Amazing.
It's the end of the end of chapter 3.
Oh,
Talks about those who have the Son have life, and those who don't have the Son does not have life. It's the last verse in chapter 3. He has it on the back of the business card. He's handing them out.
See?
Yeah, I like LT a lot. I've gotten to know him pretty well. I tried to get him to come up to the New England Bushcraft gathering to be a knife bender. 'Cause
Shane had a one-of-a-kind knife that some guy was really hot to buy.
Okay.
And of course, Roland wanted the knife too.
Roland wants every knife.
And
he has it.
Roland has every
Roland
knife.
has every knife.
Dude, Roland's bought like 3 native survival knives, I think, at this point.
So
He's got to be the most dedicated.
Yeah,
Knife customer I've ever
With the
had.
different color handle, you were like, I got a different color handle one.
Dude, there was one.
Yeah.
1 in 100 that was like more red. It was wrong.
It was-
And LT even sent me a text like, you know, I had this one-off color. It ended up happening. You know, oh, I don't know what you want to do with it. I'm like, hold on. I text the picture to Roland. I'm like, dude, do you want this one-of-a-kind NSK? No other one will look like this. He's like, yep, absolutely.
Money's already sent.
Already. Hold on. Yep. Money's already sent in PayPal.
Okay, here we go. There's my bag. Oh, cans. Got for my dad. My stepmother. Gonna bring you guys with me here. Hang them up.
Just tightened it up. Want to give me a hand?
Sure.
Okay. Grab a can and tie it up. Yeah, isn't it? Dude, me and Shane were. I didn't release the video yet, the part 2. Dude, it was nighttime. Dark. By headlamp. Shooting from over there, shooting. Ping, ping. It was great, dude. Great.
I used to get the sardine cans. They're like flat.
Yeah.
Little ones. Put them set them in the yard.
Sure. Yeah, 2 levels. I'm gonna do some from some branches and stuff. Like right here. Yeah, I descend my Gen 2 NSK, my native survival knife, to LT to make this batch. So
You don't even have it on you?
that's why I'm not using one.
Yeah. Interesting.
I mean, I like to use my Mora anyways, my pocket knife. It's always
Yeah.
there. But I'd be using my native survival though.
Something about your own pack.
But that's why. I still have my Gen 1. It's in my, obviously, it's in my carving. I have like a toolbox, all wood, nice toolbox with all my spoon knives, all my carving knives that I make my spoons with and everything. Has all my carving gear that I use, all in there.
Yeah.
I have that khaki pouch, roll down pouch that you gave me with the clips years ago. I have that in there. I take all the pieces that are roughed out, halfway done, and I just keep them in there, and inside this little bag or
Yeah.
pouch. So my native survival knife is in my carving kit because that's the first thing I use. Like when I make a spoon, I use that knife. After I'm done with the axe, after I'm done with the axe, I use my native survival knife. So
Yeah.
it's still in there. I just haven't. Whatever. Yeah, I did. That's what it was, chicken coop, huh? I wondered. I wish I had brought my BB gun up today. Forgot one, actually. Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, I pinged him. I think Shane got one. Yeah, it's pretty fun. I started sighting in my iron sights last week. I think they're pretty good now. Got an old vintage 80s, like Daisy or something. One of those old ones.
I was stupid. I cut the buttstock off mine. So it was like a pistol grip.
Oh, really?
It's a little
What do you think, Gary?
so unconventional. Little range.
Yeah. Shootable anyways, right? Yeah. So I'll show you guys. Just did this up. So now we got 2 levels. As you saw, I just tied the second level to the rope itself. Which is cool because those do that, but these swing. Which is very cool. And I just tied this one to this branch. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I just added that jug hanging off that branch right there. So now we have 3 jugs and lots of cans.
Oh, 35 liters. Probably a little bigger than that one. It's not finished though. It's really rough.
Your new bag?
Yeah.
That's cool. It's on a frame, right?
Yeah.
Alice pack?
It's on the Alice frame.
Cool. Want to show off any gear to YouTube, Gary?
No.
Okay. No gear for you.
I got my little canteen to the side.
Yeah.
Just want to go. Take my water.
So what else we got to do, Mitch?
Um,
What you thinking?
I think that's kind of it, man. I made a list, and I think I'm gonna look at it. I think it was move the rocks, work on the benches, get them set, get the BB range good to go, and last one was make a tripod for the archery backstop.
Oh, that's gonna be so sweet, you know, those cans.
So
Yeah, we need to clear a lane for that, though, right?
I think that needs to be done first. Yeah. Tripod's not a big deal. That only takes a couple minutes.
Yeah.
And I might even just find 2 trees or something anyway, so I can lean that stuff up against it.
It's funny, every time I hear somebody over there, I'm like, oh, they're gonna come to the camp. Well, I forget there's houses right there.
Yeah, there's houses right over there now.
Yep.
I figure that's probably where that camp come from, probably from kids living over there.
Yeah, because I was even saying, you're building a permanent shelter right in the view of all the houses there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why would you? That must mean you're not afraid of the houses.
That means you're not trying to hide from them
yeah.
No,
yeah.
it's probably because you
because they live there.
live there.
Yeah.
It's probably his house in the corner.
Because
Probably
he's not
some
afraid. Exactly. So it's
Yeah,
it's
some
pretty
kid
strange.
doesn't know what he's doing.
You watch YouTube.
Probably been out here exploring the woods and saw the camps. And
Sometimes I wonder if he knows that's my camp. If he like, recognizes it.
yeah,
You know.
I don't know.
That video's got like 2.3 million
Yeah.
views or something now.
Ridiculous.
Dude, it was 2 months ago. It hit 1 million. I got 1.2 million views
That's
in 2
astounding.
months.
Yeah, I seen it right when it hit million. I put a post saying, you know, there's 1 million, and then I go to check out it again, and it's almost like dead too. And I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah,
It
dude.
like flew.
Yeah.
It just like
that video's
went
out of
viral
control.
somehow. That's crazy. I don't know how to make videos viral. Like, what are you gonna do to make a viral video?
You have to make a good video.
Well, yeah.
And oh no, I'm saying you gotta make a good video. And it has to have a really good thumbnail. And it has to have a really good title.
You know what I noticed too? You know the parachute camp? You have a parachute with the winter camp? That thumbnail looks really awesome. It looks like a big parachute.
The parachute, yeah,
Yeah,
that has like 30,000 or something.
Yeah. Compared to the other ones, they're like 10, 12.
Yeah.
Well, for some
And then there was
reason
one
now-
other one that was inside there.
Oh, you're laying
laying
down?
next to the fire.
Yeah.
That's got like 15,000 or something
Yeah.
maybe.
Well, because you gotta ask yourself, why are those getting the little extra views than the other ones? And just put it just as a thumbnail.
Exactly.
Yeah, YouTube is, I don't know, man. It's something about it. It doesn't seem. And now they're taking all the little channels are getting booted from analytics, making money,
Monetization.
monetization.
Yeah.
Also, that means they don't want to pay anybody who doesn't get any views.
Yep.
People are trying to say it's the gun control thing, and I said no way. That it's business. If no one's watching your videos past a certain amount, they don't want to pay you. And even the people who are watching your videos, they even take money from them too. The videos that are being watched.
Yeah. YouTube's been pretty ruthless lately on
Um,
money. There's a bunch of videos. Like they sent out like a new kind of algorithm that like if your video they automatically shut off monetization on a bunch of my videos.
Oh, I was going to ask you that because I know they did it to Lily.
A lot of
Lily made a whole new channel called Unauthorized. It was all her like hunting stuff because anything gun, knife related.
Really? She made a whole new. I didn't know.
Yeah,
that.
she's Lily's channel, and it's on non-monetized. So she took all her videos that has like guns or anything to do with that.
Yeah.
She puts them on that channel.
Right. Exactly.
That's just so that she won't get any strikes.
Yeah. So I.
That's any popular ones that like have a lot of views?
Yeah. Some of them are like my most popular videos.
How about the survival bow?
No, that still
that's
does. But yeah, happened to. I had to request a manual review instead of the machine on a whole bunch of them. I had to go through and all the tags, erase anything that was like hunting, shooting, anything like that.
Firearms.
It's still like my rock boiling one. It's got like 700,000 views, maybe.
Yeah, I know it's past 500,000.
780 views, I think. 780,000 views. They just cut money off from that.
Why? What was?
I don't know. And now, when I request a manual review, if it doesn't get over a certain amount of views, like per day or whatever, and things like that, then they won't even review it, as if it's like a dead video, you know? Well, yeah, it's almost a million, but not quite. 780,000, I think. And it slowly creeps up. I watch it. Slowly creeps up every week. Gets a couple thousand views a week or something like that. But
That's nuts.
but they won't review it, and so
I'll just kill your channel.
not
Eventually.
good. There's zero money from that now.
Yeah, eventually just
Like
kill your
I
channel.
used to have some videos that would pay me, $500 a month, and now pay me $0 a month.
Yeah, that's.
That one video, like I have 700 videos almost. I think I'm 9 videos short of 700. I'm gonna make a big deal when I get to 700, like 690 or something. A lot of videos gathering money, and some of them were big money. Not anymore. Gone. Dude, I don't know which way to turn this anymore, and it's so tight I can't even move it. Ah!
Seized up on it.
Yeah, it just got really tight,
Yeah, the one of those wrenches.
and I don't know which way I'm supposed to be moving it anymore. I forget. I think to the right, tighten to the left. I think that's tighter, I think.
Should it be?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this way.
Oh,
This way is tighter. So it has to turn this way. God bless you. Nice.
I was getting 20,
Good
like
job,
20 bucks
man.
a piece for them.
Thank you. Yeah, Rothko make good.
Yeah, they're
hats,
made in
man.
USA too, and the Coyote Brown ones.
Made in USA, like 100% wool.
Yeah, I was selling them 20 bucks a piece.
And the OD ones, the Coyote ones are Rothko's design.
Yeah.
The OD ones are Department of Defense design.
Yeah,
It even comes with a tag saying
on the
with-
top
right
it's
on
different. The Coyote had like a stretchy top or something, where the OD one doesn't.
There was like the military designed
Yeah.
hat. Yeah, I used to sell those because they were so legit. I was.
Yeah,
I wanted.
I have a few from you. Maybe.
My hat now, my wool hat is the Canadian military hat. My buddy in Canada gave it to me.
Oh, nice.
Super thick, dude.
I bet. Oh,
Double
yeah.
thick
I
from
bet you
ours.
as well, yeah.
Double thick, dude.
Well, just like this hat was a surplus in the 90s. It was, and
Yep.
it's way thicker than the ones.
Oh
that
yeah, I
now.
remember checking that out. How different it was.
So the 90s surplus is they had so much more money than they were at war. They're just buying the most high quality things, and now it's just disposable shipping. I'd buy like.
There's a tick.
Oh, you found ticks? Yeah, but I
Yeah,
just
I
found
had
one
one
on my
the
wrist.
other day.
I've been looking. There's a little black one.
Just warm enough that they're out.
Yep. Check for ticks. Just found one on my wrist.
Bastards.
Yep. Throw them in the fire.
Bye, Gary. See you later.
Hey, good seeing you, Malcolm.
We will
Safe trip.
talk soon.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon, I'm sure. Take care.
Yeah, a couple weeks. 2 weeks, get the gathering.
I'll be there. I'll be here. You know, if you need anything before the gathering, I can bring or something, whatever. I got a big job BBs too.
Cool.
He has in my basement.
Nice. Yeah, I've got a bunch too. I have like a metal tin that I fill with BBs. Alright, let him in.
Alright, Malcolm just left. He's crossing the field. There he goes. There's all the rocks removed. Quite a bit. Yeah, I wish I brought my BB gun. Brought it last time.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just spaced on it. Didn't even think of it. I was so focused on the rocks, you know? I had to get those rocks done. Thanks for the help on that.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is the last portion of a weekend I'm gonna have off now for 6 weeks, I think.
After the rendezvous? 2 weeks from now?
I took time off for that.
Yeah.
'Cause
I said so.
next week my days off will be Wednesday, Thursday.
Oh, I see what you mean.
And I'll work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and I'll be off Tuesday, Wednesday.
So your days off are changing.
Yep. That's the
It's starting to rain. Hear that?
yeah. That's the issue with working a 4 and 2 is your days off change every week. So but gives everybody a chance to have a weekend off every now and then too. So
Exactly. That's good. You guys rotate. Try to keep people happy. It's always a bummer when a company, you know, has somebody, like, it's just little things that like inconsiderate to me. Like, they'll have someone close, but then open the very next day.
yeah.
You know, and they try to make a joke out of it. Oh, are you cloping? It's like, no, I'm hating life is what I'm doing. You know, like, let's not put a cute name on it. It
Yeah.
sucks. Like, get out of here.
Yeah. Might think you're funny, but
Exactly. I'm just gonna get a picture of you not wiping your nose. That's all. I was just pausing a minute, waiting. Oh, Instagram. See what I do for you people on Instagram? See this right now? I'm setting this up. I don't even need this shot. I don't need to. I'm sorry. I do need this shot. I don't even need this hot tea. Just take a picture for Instagram because I forgot to take one earlier. Oh, Instagram. I was making tea earlier, didn't take a picture, and I have to recreate it now. Let's see if we can get at least a single good picture. If that's even possible. There it is. There's a couple there. Well, it's certainly raining now.
Yep.
I decided to leave my my rain shell in my truck because I didn't think it was gonna rain. Good thing I have a sweater. So pretty soon I'm going to be working on that behemoth right there.
talking to me or the
Talking to the camera, talking to YouTube. I'm going to be working on the roof. I'm going to make a raised bed inside, stuff like that. Make a door. You know. Normal stuff. I'm hoping I could start that pretty soon, maybe next week, next time I come out here. We'll see. If it keeps raining, I'm not gonna, because putting wet debris on a shelter is a terrible idea. One of the reasons why I like baseball hats in the woods is for when it's raining. The bill protects my face from rain. Now, these rocks never end, man.
I'm gonna throw this inside your shelter here, try to keep it dry.
Yeah, whatever.
Maybe on top.
Yeah, that's not a very good spot for it. I was just moving it just for the picture. No, just throw it inside if you want. Or throw it right there in that pile. If you don't like, but if you want to protect it, then throw it inside the shelter.
Yeah, I was just trying to keep it dry.
Throw it inside then. Still pretty dry in there.
Yeah.
Separate it. Get stuff out of the way. That's just laying in the way of everything right now.
This is the type of log for your saw that you got there, your peg tooth.
Type of log, what?
This is the type of log you want to cut with your peg tooth saw there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good firewood there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's real dry. That's good. Good stuff.
Yeah.
I can put the backstop against the stumps laying on the ground. Yeah, it's already cleared. Yeah, maybe it's right next to the BB lane. Sharing that tree, maybe shooting this way. Towards those stumps right there. That might work out. I'm gonna have to cut the sapling, I think, right here. A little sapling. Just to make sure it's not in the way. Not a big deal. It's a little, make spoons out of it and stuff. And I think maybe I'll do that. So the lane will be right there. I'm gonna just move that sapling, get that out of there. Like so.
Like a glove.
Fell right across the opening right there. As planned. That's good maple. We can use that to make spoons, man. Yeah, next week I'm gonna bring my rake and rake the BB lane, all the debris off of it, the same width as the lane, so it's very obvious that it's like a, you know, a stark contrast to the rest of the forest. The lane sticks out. There won't be any leaves or anything on the ground. Yeah, that'll do nicely right there. So check this out, YouTubers. It's a BB lane, sharing the tree. I'm gonna get another orange bandana, tie it right there, and angled this way through these two will be the archery lane right there. I'm gonna have the backstop. I'm gonna use those stumps on the ground to have backstops set up. Cool. It sounds like they might have found a rabbit or something.
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Yeah. There's the hunter. Yep, in the woods, man. That's where people hunt. Wish I was hunting today. I have a Rhode Island license, but not a Mass license. I'm wearing Mass right now, so you know. A new fire pit is christened. Here's a quick tip for you guys. Don't want to get your gear all full of the creosote and everything on the pot. Just wrap it in a bandana. Before I put it in the bag. It's that simple. Don't need some big gimmicks and everything else to do it. spray paints, special chemicals, and wiping with soap, and I've seen everything in the world for reasons. But I just wrap it in a bandana. I was just about to take my camera and put it in its case because it's like pouring rain right now. But
Seems to be picking up too, and
yeah.
vim and vigor.
Yep. Yeah, Gary just said he thinks that's our cue to beat some feet, man. Get out of here. And I agree. We're just packing up, finishing up, grabbing the last few things. I'm pretty much tidied up. Got my Pelican case for my camera, my bag and everything. Just drinking some almond milk on the way out. But that's pretty much it. So, this has been Mitch with Native Survival and Gary and Malcolm, who's already left. We will see you on the next video, the next episode of the series of life on YouTube. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you on the next one. Later.